Flashwords English.
100 foods and drinks in English. Bread, sandwich, toast, pancake, waffle, bagel, croissant, muffin, donut, pizza, pasta, spaghetti, lasagna, hamburger, hot dog, fried chicken, roast chicken, steak, fish and chips, tacos, burrito, quesadilla, sushi, ramen, curry, kebab, barbecue, omelette, soup, noodles, rice, fried rice, risotto, mashed potatoes, French fries, baked potato, potato chips, salad, coleslaw, pickles, cake, cheesecake, chocolate cake, cupcake, brownie, cookie, ice cream, pudding, jelly, apple pie, pumpkin pie, jam, cinnamon roll, tart, eclair, macaron, candy, chocolate bar, lollipop, marshmallow, water, sparkling water, milk, hot chocolate, coffee, espresso, cappuccino, latte, tea, green tea, herbal tea, iced tea, lemonade, juice, orange juice, apple juice, smoothie, milkshake, cola, soda, energy drink, beer, wine, champagne, cocktail, mojito, margarita, iced coffee, masala tea, mineral water, cheese, yogurt, butter, sausage, bacon, popcorn, nachos, pretzel, honey,